Say bye, alligator.
Bye-bye.
Day 47, fishing every day with my toddler for 365 days until he's 3 years old. First cast is at this culvert. Got a Senko on. Ooh, that's chilly. There's cast 8. I don't know if those are mosquito minnows or some other fry. They're pretty. Oh no, there's a bass right there. There's bass in here. Just about sight casted him. Spunky too. Real spunky. Give it up now. Say bye-bye. Oh, he splashed me good too. I love looking back into a cypress head like that full of water. Looking for wood ducks. Bet one would be in there. Ducks aren't a priority right now. Fish are. We got a culvert right here that I'm approaching. You see Mama?
Mama?
That was, I think that was a huge bowfin. Out of that was like a 10-pound bass. Dang, that was massive. Look at, high and by.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for the fight.